fresher of the two sides, not involved as far as Basadi. Tashreeq Matthews featured in every single one of their games in all competitions last season. It's Galaxy played at the Solomon Mahlangu Stadium. TS Galaxy ended up going all the way to the final, where they eventually fell to Durban City as Santos takes down here by Victor Letsualo to peel away and stay on sides, and he's dragged the shot wide.
Yeah, unfortunately, because I thought the decision to go direct with an attack. For me, it was
Watusi Obas joined the club. He, of course, went to the DDC ranks, and he's playing only his third professional game for Mamelodi Sundowns. Game of stars as Sundowns look long. Tashreeq Matthews taking on the challenge of Zindoga.
Looks like a penalty has been given.
Yeah, there's not much of a reaction from the Mamelodi Sundowns players, nor is there from the home team. Perhaps a little perplexed as to why the referees pointed at the spot. We'll get another look at it. There was a challenge from behind,
yes,
from Junior Zindoga. So Brian Leon fires it in. No chance for Ian Atape, and Mamelodi Sundowns have an early lead.
Indeed. There's not much Atape can do. It's the well-taken penalty. Away from the goalkeeper. But for me, you've got to be a little bit better. What do we know about Zindonga's defensive duties? Not much, except for going into attack. Very reckless, maybe like timing a bit in the way. He allowed Matthews to get in front of him, and once the player's in front of you, you've got to be very careful, because in the slightest touch as he goes down, it will be anything.
So the Colombian,
the same moment for him,
just growing into this game. Zindoga's cross is a decent one. There rounds. Pirates will be up against the Mauritian champions, by the way, as Kakora hits it. Well, just the edge of the D, but comfortable for Williams.
Very.
They really were pains to get him ready as he's given the ball away here. Victor Letsualo angles tight, he's rolled it in. The Rockets restore parity. And it all emanates from a Sundowns era.
Yeah. Yes. They're brilliant in being able to retain the ball, but I think they overdid it here. And
how infrequently the top two sides drop points, says Leon. Let's fly. That's why they are fighting so hard to try and get the winner here, Mamelodi Sundowns.
once again, from beautiful